If you're looking for some healthy tips, you clicked on the right video, so let me share these tips with you. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about some tips that can help you improve your health. Some of them might seem like very small and insignificant, but they are still powerful if implemented on the daily basis. Okay, here they are. Tip number 1. If you're not ready to eat everything super healthy all the time, you are screwed. No, I'm just kidding. You do not have to get rid of all the not so healthy things right away. But what you can do to get healthier is to start eating the healthy habits, starting by eating healthy foods like more fresh fruits and vegetables. This will help you gradually replace all the bad stuff with the good ones, and you won't feel deprived and miserable. It's the best way to get healthier. Tip number 2. If you are watching some content which makes you super nervous, like someone is trying to convince you that you have a parasite and you need such and such cleansing, but your intuition tells you it is not for you, then steer clear from that content. If it doesn't resonate with you, then maybe you shouldn't do it. Just save your sanity, guys. Tip number 3. Food, sleep, exercise, and stress are the 4 pillars of health. Work on these 4 pillars and you won't need to starve yourself or do some detox cleanse and anything like that. I'm not saying that you can never do any detox or cleanse, but if those 4 pillars are not worked out, then a single cleanse is not gonna help you. It's good to have occasional cleanse here and there. I like something like this once in a while. But if you're going back to eating crap, then this cleanse was basically useless. That's what I'm trying to say. Those 4 pillars has to be really worked out before anything else, because if they are not, then nothing else will really help you. I struggle with some of these myself, and it is okay. We're only human and we try to do the best and get better and better with every day. If we stick to it, we will see the improvement. Number 4, what you eat makes you healthy, not what you get rid of. Let me explain. Just start by eating as much healthy food as you can, and you'll see that the bad stuff will eventually be gone. This is the way to really care about yourself and not to torture yourself. This is the only way to get long-term steady results without constantly falling off the bandwagon. Like you eat everything healthy and then you go and binge some crap. Number 5. If the thoughts about a healthy diet are very frightening, just remember this. In reality, there are not so many important rules. Just eat as much as possible whole foods and preferably only plants, like eat fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, legumes, seaweeds, grains if you want to. If you're craving something sweet every day, find a good alternative to anything crappy and really enjoy it without any guilt. Just don't make a cult out of it. Make your food at home, avoid over-processed foods with a lot of unknown ingredients, and that's it. Number 6. You're mistaken if you only think that the only way to change your diet is by going cold turkey. There is no perfect day or month or year to start it. You can start with the smallest baby step, even if you think it is really nothing. For example, add some beans to your salad instead of chicken. Eat some nuts and berries for your snack instead of a piece of chocolate. Our health is being built from these tiniest baby steps, so keep doing that. Okay guys, I really hope that these tips can help inspire you on your health journey, and let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, or if I miss anything, please share in the comments too. If you enjoyed this video, then click on the next video on the screen that I think you will enjoy next, and I'll see you there.